Hello guys, a warm welcome from Team Demonstrators, and today we are going to see how to use Snapdeal app. So all these Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal app, the working is same, only the changes in interface, and the only app is Snapdeal, which also provides more options like Paytm. So this is the interface, these are the categories. So I will show you the interface. So top offers, best sellers, all the new peaks, so mobile recharge and bill payments. So okay, so these are the other options like book an Uber cab, movie tickets, food, personal services, buses, flights, hotel bill payments will be shown here. So deals of the day will be here, so let's click on deals of the day. So here are the deals of the day, so you can browse as per your requirements. So men's clothing, women's clothing, fitness. So all the other products, gymming equipments, gymming clothings, furniture, trending now, basically what people are looking for now these days will be shown here. The tools, trending searches for mobiles, footwear. So all are in this interface. So this is the home page. So here is the options like my orders, recently viewed, shortlist, notification, your shopping list and your account settings. You can access through these options, and these are the categories like what you want, movie tickets, food, book. So I'm not going to explain all these movie tickets, food, book, because it is one and the same as I have explained in Paytm app. So suppose we select fashion, and suppose baby and kids. So here are all the options related to kids toys and other. These are the brands, these are the top offers, best sellers, fast moving products means which people are buying. So these are the clothing and other much more footwear and other things. So let's see about one product. Suppose I choose this toy car. So here are the all the details, here are the images of the car. Basically Snapdeal interface is very good because it's faster than Amazon and Flipkart, and they have additional features too. So this is the wishlist tag, you want to share, you can share through this. So these are the price, delivery options, standard delivery, free delivery, fast delivery. Item details will be shown here, so click on view more. What are the key feature, technical specifications about this product, description will be here. So all this payment protection, 7 days return policy, all the reviews and question and answers about the customers will be shown here. So who is selling this product is shown here. So this is basically same, add to cart. So when you do add to cart, select which color you want. So other color is sold out, so select add to cart. So here in your cart it will be shown. So for continue payment you can go for continue. So you have to put your address, payment details here. So if any promo codes you have, you can apply here, promo codes and other payment options. If you want to do credit card, debit card, net banking are here. So after proceeding, successful payment options, you can see your product in your orders and track from there. So this explains the Snapdeal app. You can explore on your own according to your requirements. What do you want? You can apply the filters and all refine searches. So thanks for watching. Thank you.